then.
Dragonfly.
Here we go on Dragonfly.
Let's go. Ooh.
So look at John and Mum back there.
Ready to go?
I quite like the front of the car here, mate. Front of the train
themed.
with the with the Dragonfly theme. What are you doing?
I'm just giving it a stroke there.
All right, yeah. Yeah, I've got to give it a stroke. So this looks like a sort of family thrill coaster.
So I'm getting my wings ready.
Getting our wings ready. And are you ready?
Look quite intense.
We have a drop hit there to start off with.
Oh,
Hey! Woo! Woo!
Oh, yeah.
Here we go. Ooh.
It's got a bit of whip to it.
Yeah, it has. Hey! Hey, he looked. And into the sort of brake run.
Very tense at the end.